I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by orienting the dispenser toward you and putting it on a stable surface so it won't slide. Once positioned, verify the pad size. Most dispensers take 3x 3-inch pads and remove any wrapping. Next, align the sticky note stack with the feed slot so the adhesive edge meets the dispenser's feed mechanism. Press the stack down gently until it seats. This ensures the first sheet is positioned for pickup. Make sure the adhesive edge faces the correct direction so notes will peel cleanly as you pull. Once the pad is loaded, check the feed tension or spring setting. Many dispensers have marks or detents set at mid-range for general use. Then pull the first sheet slowly and at a slight upward angle to test tear-off and adhesion. This reveals whether the note peels smoothly from the stack. If the sheet jams, stop, reopen the feed, realign the stack, and reset tension. Doing these adjustments now prevents repeated jams and maintains a consistent single-sheet dispense each time you pull. To finish, pull a single note with a quick, even motion. This gives a clean tier and preserves the rest of the stack. If you get double feed or multiple notes coming out, reduce the tension or nudge the pad so the adhesive edge separates sheets better. Once done, make sure the dispenser is closed and test several times. If problems persist, open it, clear any paper debris, and inspect the adhesive edge for irregularities. Correcting those fixes most recurring dispensing issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.